In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client portal using Airtable. Before we begin, make sure you have an Airtable account. The free plan is great for getting started. Have your client data handy, things like names, emails, companies, projects, and any files you might want to share. We'll also use Airtable's interface designer, which is built in, so there's nothing extra to install. First, create your base. Log in, click Add a Base, then start from scratch. Give it a clear name like Client Portal, so it's easy to find later. Think of a base as the container for everything related to your portal. Next, set up your core tables. You'll want a clients table with fields for name, email, company, and any login related info you plan to reference. Create a projects table with fields like project name, status, and a linked field to clients. Then, create a files or docs table with file name, a link or attachment, and a linked field to projects. Use linked records to connect these tables so your portal can pull related information automatically. Now add the right field types. Text fields work for names, emails, and notes. Attachment fields let you upload PDFs or other files. Use a single select field for project status, with options like active, completed, and pending. Add date fields for deadlines or milestones. Choosing the correct field type up front makes filtering and displaying data much easier later. Populate your data with a few clients, their projects, and any documents. Make sure each project is linked to the correct client so the relationships are accurate. Clean, consistent entries here will save you time in the interface. Let's build the interface. Go to the Interfaces tab, click Create New Interface, and choose a portal or dashboard template, or start from scratch. Pick the table you want to display first, usually clients. Add a record list to show client names, and a record details view to display project information and attachments. You can also add buttons for actions like download file. If you need Airtable, the link to the website is at the top of the description so you can sign up or log in quickly. Apply filters so each client only sees their own information. Use a condition like client name equals current user, and set it up to use email or a compatible login method. Test your filters to confirm that only the right records are visible. When you're ready, click Share in the interface. Choose Share with specific people for restricted access, or share publicly if appropriate. Copy the link and send it to your client, and that's it. Thanks for watching.